This is live at Metan on Friday afternoon. All the days are kind of just come into one. And I'm just going to do a quick rundown for everybody, kind of show it, folks the rest of the projects that are going on down here. So let me turn this around. This is our 1973 Highliner, very custom boat for a dear friend of mine. Starting to go through the rigging stages and wiring. This is one of our Pelham bays, special editions. You've seen the update on our Edie and Duff. You've seen the update on our Metan Seacraft. Hope I didn't just give away. I might have just did what kind of motor we're rigging it with, but there'll still be a lot of cool things to see in this episode. Here's Captain Josh's boat. We're doing a rewire on that. He is a local charter fisherman. Been one of our followers for a long time in the Seacraft world. There's our hull one of our 26 Beretta Cove. Stan the Man. This is our stringer mock-up for our new 32. Speaking of new 32, this is our gunnel cap plug. Boys, we'll be putting in some tool and gel coat on Monday. Doing a beautiful job. Our Mako project. You guys have seen the update on that. Came over, mocked up the fuel tank today. You see Stan got everything coated in a bilge coat. The center isn't done yet, so we have some bulkheads to install. Joe and Gary are working on the deck plug for the 32. Has some video of us infusing this. We fabricated new hatch rings. That'll be fitted in the liner. And that plug will be done. This is a hard top for our Seacraft project, the T-top. Over in the corner, which is our next update. It's our 1979 Formula. Stay tuned for that update coming at you next week. Well, I know I missed a couple of projects. We'll catch up on those. But for now, don't forget, join us next Sunday, June 7th, for the season premiere of Making It Metan. For now, we're out for the weekend. Godspeed. Big things happening this weekend. Greatest country in the world are sending men back to space. So let's have them on the minds. And remember, we live in the greatest country of the world. Don't ever forget that. God bless. We're out.